To start off the project, you'll need a bottle of some sorts. It can be anything from an old Coke bottle to a tea bottle, which is what we decided to use. To help make sure the labeling doesn't show through the paint, start by taking off the label. It is easiest to get all of the adhesive off if you run the bottle under warm water while peeling off the label. Next, you will want to paint the inside of the bottle with the color of your choosing. We decided to use white. Squeeze the paint into the bottle and swirl it around until everything is covered. Pour the excess paint back into the bottle. Now it's time to tape. We used a basic gray painter's tape, but masking tape works as well. Wrap the tape around the bottom of the bottle or wherever you want the horizontal stripes pattern. Then paint in the areas without the tape. Just a tip, it is easier to peel off the tape in the end if you do not paint over it. I learned that the hard way. Once you are done with the bottom, it is time to put the polka dots on top. It is easiest to make the dots if you use the end of the brush instead of the actual bristles. You can make the dots any color and as big or as small as you would like. Once you have finished all the polka dots, wait overnight for the paint to dry. Peel off the tape the next day and voila, you have your very own vase. Just wait a few days to put anything in it because the inside takes longer to dry than the outside. Thanks for watching, and check out the rest of the pins below for more do-it-yourself crafts that will help you decorate your off-campus crib.